Hey everybody, my name's Miss Stewart and I'm an English teacher here at HMS 7. You might have me as a teacher or you might have Mrs. Rains or Miss McClellan, but I'm going to be showing you guys what you're expected to do with your Google Classroom every day when you come into our classrooms. So let's get started. You've already added in your code and you're probably in your Google Classroom because you're watching this video. But every day when you come in, you need to start by clicking on your English class. And this is your stream and important announcements in there. But for the most part, you're going to want to immediately go to your classwork. And within your classwork, okay, you're always going to start your day by going to welcome and going into your journal. Now there's a video that explains what to do once you're in your journal, but every day you're going to start by doing your Bellwork, which is in your weekly resources tab, and you're going to click the appropriate one and get going. That is every single day. That is what you're supposed to start with. All right. Once you're done with Bellwork, you are going to find your week in the topics, and you'll start every week. Every time you start a new week in your classroom, you're going to start by watching the intro video for that week. Okay. That intro video is going to explain what's happening that week, what your objective is, and you'll be able to see all of the assignments that you're going to be responsible for getting done within that week's topic. Okay, so start with your intro video. After you've seen that video, that's where you can go and access your playlist, which will be a list of your assignments that you're expected to get done that week. Okay, it'll have links in there, it'll take you to different sites and different assignments, and every week it'll be a little bit different. But you will be able to decide in what order you want to do your assignments and how long it takes you, okay? So these weeks are organized with dates, but for some of you, you might finish week 1 halfway through week 1 and be ready to move on to week 2. So you'll start week 2 early, and that's okay. Or maybe some of you will be working on week 1 stuff by the time we hit September 14th, and that's okay too. All right. What is important is that when you are finally done with all the assignments that are posted in that week's playlist, all right, you move on to the next week at your own pace, and you always start by watching the intro video for that week. Okay. Now, as you're going along, if you guys have questions, it's so important that you let us know, because both you guys sitting in the classroom and you guys sitting at home watching this video, we want to make sure that we are delivering the absolute best instruction for you. So please ask us questions. If something isn't working, let us know. If a link doesn't work, let us know. Okay, no information is too invaluable. All right, we need to know what works and what doesn't for you. Okay, so one more time. You come into classroom, you will click on your classwork. The first place you always go is your journal, and then you'll get to work in your playlist, all right? And then at the end of every day, you will have an exit ticket, and that is also located in your journal. So you start and end your day in your journal every day, all right? I hope you guys enjoy this. We worked really hard putting this together for you, and like I said, if you have questions, please do not be afraid to ask. All right, good luck and get to work.